everybody.
Hi everyone, welcome back to One More Thing. Today we're at Busch Gardens Williamsburg and we're going to be talking about everything coming in 2026. We're here today on the last day of Christmas Town, so after today the park is going to be closed for a little bit, but it's going to reopen for Mardi Gras.
The Mardi Gras Festival runs from January 30th through March 8th. It's Fridays through Sundays, and they're also doing President's Day for that as well. It's one of my favorite festivals.
I think we literally walked into Christmas Town back in November and you were like, I'm excited for Mardi Gras. Like, that's in January. We still have to enjoy Christmas Town, but it's one that we do look forward to every year.
Yeah, the Carnival Imaginique show was always really impressive. The beignets are always on point.
Ooh, the beignets.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm excited.
So it's a great festival. If you've never been to Busch Gardens before and this is your first festival, you won't be let down.
Yeah, it's really fun. After that, we have the St. Patrick's Day celebration. That's going to be on select dates, March 12th through the 17th. So just a few days, and also, it's going to be open on St. Patrick's Day, of course. Hopefully we'll get to see Clancy, the leprechaun. There's going to be special food, green beer, and that is a great time, in my opinion, to go see Celtic Fire. So hopefully it is open that weekend. That is our favorite Irish dancing show in Ireland in the Abbey Stone Theatre. It is just a crowd favorite. It's excellent every single time.
Also, we have kids' weekends coming up. It's between March 21st and April 19th, every Saturday and Sunday during that time. There's extra things going on for kids, from different characters in the Globe Theater to storytelling at the Sesame Street Forest of Fun.
I'm not sure who is coming this year. I haven't seen any official announcements. Like, I know last year Snuffy was here from Sesame Street, but I'm excited to see who they have, and that's also a really fun extra addition for the kids. We have the Busch Gardens Food and Wine Festival returning this year. It is going to be Thursdays through Sundays, April 23rd through June 21st, of delicious food booths all around the park. Lots of food, drinks themed to different countries. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite events. I love getting the little tasting card and going around trying all the new treats and savory snacks, and it's just a great time.
Yeah, it's neat to try something from each country or do multiple days so you can try multiple things from that country. There's been so many things that we've really enjoyed that we hope they have year after year.
Yeah, I always love trying the new things, but also the returning favorites. Excited for when they will release the menus. So
after that, we have the Summer of Wonder, which is June 26th through July 30th. This includes concerts, artwork around the park, fireworks. It's a pretty incredible festival. They have some big names that come in for the concerts. They have some great muralists that come in and do special paintings.
Beer Fest, Brews, and Barbecue is returning July 31st through September 7th. This is going to be Fridays through Sundays, as well as Labor Day. This one is pretty similar to Food and Wine, except it's more like Southern-inspired comfort food, and there are booths set up all around the park for tastings, and it's a really fun one, so I'm excited for that. I'm glad they're bringing that one back.
Okay, so after that is the big one, Howl-O-Scream. This is on select nights between September 11th and November 1st. This has haunted houses, terror toys, shows. It's just the whole park comes alive with so many characters, and just it's a really well done event.
Yeah, excellent scare actors roaming around the park, very spooky atmosphere, excellent event. So I am so excited to head back this year. We also have the Halloween Spooktacular. That's going to be on Saturdays and Sundays, September 19th through November 1st. This one's for the kids. It's kind of like a little Halloween event for them in the Sesame Street Forest of Fun area.
Next, we have Christmas Town. This is another big event for the park. It's on select dates between November 13th and January 3rd. It's very popular with shows, meeting Santa, riding the train. There's over 10 million lights throughout the park. There's Christmas music playing. It really gives you a good sense of the season.
So let's talk about one of the biggest updates coming to Busch Gardens Williamsburg in 2026, Verbolten Forbidden Turn. January 4th is the last day to ride Verbolten in its current form. So by the time this video comes out, the ride will be closed for refurbishment. The new ride has the Black Forest Motor Tours under new management, which good for them, like new year, new management.
Yeah, they need it, yeah.
welcoming adventurers eager to explore Germany's legendary countryside. The drive promises charm and folklore at every turn, but what comes next is far from charming. Signs appear where they shouldn't, shadows move when they shouldn't, and whispers tell of something growing within the forest. Guests are cautioned not to stray from the road, for one wrong turn could awaken forces long forgotten.
Verbolten is a Zierer multi-launched, partially enclosed steel roller coaster designed by the park's creative team and Zierer of Germany. The name is a play on the German word verboten, meaning forbidden. The coaster opened in May 2012 on the former site of Big Bad Wolf as part of the Oktoberfest area renovation.
The queue and the station are styled as a motor tours agency run by siblings Gerda and Gunter Schwarzwald, with the station resembling a garage and the trains are themed as roadsters.
Verbolten features 2 LSM launches, linear synchronous motor launch, an indoor show building, and a surprise 18-foot vertical drop track.
After exiting the building at 53 miles an hour, the coaster crosses a creaking covered bridge before dropping 88 feet towards the river, an homage to the original Big Bad Wolf, followed by fast turns and airtime hills. The ride includes several tributes to its predecessor, including reused footers, glowing wolf eyes, and a train with Wolf Crossing license plate.
Other clever license plates you'll see on the ride are Fall in Rocks, You'll Be Droppin', Black Forest.
We watched the old promo for Verbolten when it came out back in 2012, and it was like over a minute long. It was very detailed, as a contrast to the current promo.
Yeah, the current one I think is about 20 seconds.
Yes, but the promo had different reasons not to drive through the Black Forest. They listed reason number 43 as rapid weather changes, reason number 79, sudden changes to road surfaces, and reason number 93, the unexpected. So I think we should go ride it and see for ourselves one last time.
Yeah, I think that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Remember, don't look back as you brave the Black Forest.
There is a new promo video out for the new re-theme of the roller coaster with some Easter eggs of what's to come. There's an older woman on the path who says, "Auf Wiedersehen," and "Don't turn right." There are 5 bumper stickers on the car. The first one says BGW, Busch Gardens Williamsburg member, so maybe that means that like members are going to be the first ones that get to ride.
Good. Yeah, that's a good point. Yep.
The next bumper sticker says the Old Country, so that's kind of a nod to what it was originally called, right? Busch Gardens Williamsburg used to be called the Old Country. It recently celebrated 50 years last year.
In this book, we'll help you plan a visit this spring when the Old Country opens. For your free copy, write Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, Virginia, and start planning to join us in the Old Country.
The third bumper sticker says, "My other car is a roller coaster," and it kind of looks like Tempesto.
Yeah, the way it wraps around. Yep.
The next bumper sticker says, "I heart Busch Gardens," which, of course. And then the 5th one, we need you guys to help us out because it's a square and we can't really make it out. What do you think that it is? Because it has these circles on it. We think that the top says, "That's what I do, roller coasters." And we think the bottom is, "I know things."
Yeah, that's all we can make out. We don't know if there's some other words in the middle. But yeah, I think you guys will be able to help us out.
I don't know. Yeah, let us know in the comments if you know what that bumper sticker says, because we are very intrigued. The license plate for the car in the promo is YLBDROPN, which is "You'll Be Dropping." There is old music featured from the old Busch Gardens commercials playing. And there is a sign on the road that says "Verboten," which that word in German means forbidden. So it's kind of a play on words for verboten.
So with the new ride being named Forbidden Turn, we've heard some people joke that the ride is called Forbidden Turn. But I know Verboten and Verboten
are two different words.
Are different.
Yeah.
But yeah, speaking of Forbidden Turn, we saw a different name for the ride. We're kind of confused by that.
Yeah, I was looking on the website earlier today, and it had the normal information. It says Verbolten Forbidden Turn, but then if you scroll down on the website, it says Verbolten Forbidden Forest. And with the promo next to it that says Verbolten Forbidden Turn. And then I also went to the official Busch Gardens Williamsburg YouTube page, and it also lists both. Like it lists, in the promo, it says Verbolten Forbidden Turn, but then in the title of the YouTube video, it says Verbolten Forbidden Forest. So are they trying to like put out a temperature check of like how are people feeling about the name? Are they thinking about changing the name? Have you guys heard anything? I'm not really sure. I was just confused about like, why are we listing both?
Maybe they're trying to have it evolve into Forbidden Forest and hope people slowly forget about Forbidden Turn.
I don't know. I'd be happy with either. I think Forbidden Forest makes more sense because you're going into the Forbidden Forest.
Yeah, maybe that's why they...
But Forbidden Turn also makes sense because you don't want to like turn into the Forbidden Forest. I don't know.
So what do you think they're going to change for the ride?
I think they're going to probably be updating the show building is my best guess. I could definitely see them put in maybe some screens in there, kind of like what they did with the Loch Ness Monster update, how they like, it was like a nice little refresh. I think they could really put a nice touch of technology in there and really like bring it to life because it is really dark in there. So I think having like some screens, maybe some flashes of light could make it a lot more immersive and just really add to the story and just give it a nice, fresh update.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. What about you? What do you think they're going to change, keep the same?
I think the queue building needs a refresh. It's got some cool, stuff in it, but I think they need to just clean it out and start fresh, where it feels like a whole new ride from the moment you walk through the queue to the moment you get on the roller coaster and then all the way through. I mean, I don't think they're going to take any track out or add any track like that. But I think that area that you're waiting in, it needs some sort of refresh.
I personally think it's one of the best themed queues in the park. I think it's extremely detailed, extremely immersive, but I think it could also use an update and like a refresh of the story. I think that would be really, really awesome and, maybe a little bit of an easier way to just like add to the story. So we hope you found this helpful. Just kind of like get some dates on your calendar of dates that you might want to come visit the park if a festival is going on, so you can check it out. We do have a bunch of videos from last year of a lot of these events at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, so please check out those links down in the description below. And let us know if you're coming to Busch Gardens Williamsburg anytime soon. We would love to know.
Yeah, but until then,
there's one more thing.